Hi guys, welcome to another Shopify how-to video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can add recent sales pop-up on your Shopify store without using any app or without paying any developer all by yourself. All you have to do is just watch this video completely and obviously subscribe the channel. Let me first show you the demo of how it's going to look like. So as you can see this on my development store, I have this recently purchased pop-up showing up. And every 10 seconds, it's going to show up with a different name, a different product. And it says this time here as well. And it shows that it is recently purchased. So this is something which you can add on your store to increase the FOMO effect, meaning fear of missing out. That is really important and a famous tactics in order to boost your sales. So please make sure to watch the complete video in order to learn how to add that on your store. Okay, so let me first also show you guys the backend feature of this pop-up. So we can change the duration, the show interval, meaning how long it's going to take to show the second pop-up. We have currently set it for 10 seconds, but you can change the duration to from 10 seconds to 120 seconds, right? Let's set it to 10 seconds because I want to show it to you on this video. And this is the display duration, meaning how long do you want this pop-up to be displayed. You have the option from 3 seconds to 15 seconds duration of the pop-up, right? And here we have the option to change the background color. Here we have the border color option and some other styling and text color which you can add, right, to make it aligned with your theme. So it will look like it is on your theme. Looks good, right? So you can change that to whatever you want. And that's how it looks after changing the colors. This is for the border radius. This is for the image border radius. And if I scroll down, you can see that we have the option to select the product and we have the option to add in the customer name. Again, this is, you can say a dummy recent sales pop-up, which is not showing the actual sales and products. It is just it's showing you can add whatever you want. You can add in your own information just to show the customer that someone is purchasing the product. A little fakey thing, but it is good for increasing the sales, and it is suggested to use your actual sales data. So whoever bought the product, just add in the name and select the product as well. So select the product and add in the name, and it will keep showing it continuously, and you can add 10 products here. You also have the option to add in custom CSS, but I'm assuming you don't know how to code because in my channel most of the viewers are small merchants who really don't want to code, right? So that is why I am creating these tutorials for you guys. Okay, so now without further ado, let's get into the backend and try to add in this recent sales pop-up. By the way, it is going to work completely fine on all of the Horizon theme and on all of the Dawn based theme as well. So if you're using Sense theme, Color Block, or any of the theme, it is going to work completely fine on all of the theme. There is no theme limitation in that code because that's a complete section which we will be adding. So without further ado, let's get into the backend where I am going to show you how you can add that. And let's exit that. And that is my theme section where I am going to install a fresh Horizon theme. I currently have the older version. And I also have really a lot of customization which I have added on this theme. So I would avoid this one and install the fresh Horizon theme. So click on add button here and add the fresh Horizon theme. And while this theme is being installed, guys, if you are new to Shopify and want your store for just $1 a month, there is a link in the description. If you sign up through that link, you will get your store for just $1 a month. And we have also created an app for you to boost sales by adding the volume discount feature. The app name is called Big Bulk Discount. This app will help you add in the volume discount feature to your store. Currently, by default, Shopify doesn't offer that. And on top of adding the volume discount, you will be having a stylish looking badge on the product pages, which will show the % discount off you are offering. So if someone is buying 2 items, it's going to give like, for example, 10% discount. It is going to show this stylish widget, which you can also see on my screen. I'm going to add another screenshot on the app as well, so you guys can see how that widget would look like. But take a look at this video, which will show you how the widget looks. And this is for 7-day free trial. You can use this app for 7 days completely for free and uninstall if you don't think that it's helping you. Simply uninstall. I'm not forcing you to keep using it if it's not giving you results, right? Okay, so our Horizon theme should be installed now, and it is installed. Now I'm going to click on publish and then click on publish again. There we go. Our fresh Horizon theme has been published. I am going to click on these 3 small dots to preview it. Close the old tab. And that is how it looks like. Now we are going to add the pop-up on our Horizon theme. So let's click on these 3 small dots and then click on edit code. And in the code editor, we will scroll down, click on this section folder here, and then click on add a new section. And here I am going to name my section recent sales pop-up. The file name, it doesn't really matter. You can name it whatever you want. Click on done. And then remove all of the current code which is there. And now I am going to copy the code from this URL. And this URL will be in the YouTube video description. So all you have to do is just click on the link in the video description. And from there, click on copy code button. And then paste the code in the newly section file which you created. And then click on save. Once you save the file, you should see this section on your customizer, on your theme editor. So if you click on 3 small dots and then go to customize theme, here you just need to click on add section on header or footer. I will click on the footer, click on add section and search for recent, but it's already showing up, which is saying recent sales pop-up, right? Add in there. And we will now add in the product and names. So I'm going to select the product here. Product 1, name it Mark. Product 2, name it Julie. Product 3, name it Steve. Again, you can add in whatever name you want to add in and whatever product you want to select in and change the color scheme as well. Now after doing that, click save. And now it should show up after saving. And here you go. You can see that pop-up is showing up. By the way, guys, I can add in more functionality to this recent sales pop-up. All you have to do is just comment down in the video below and let me know what more feature you would like to add. The most basic feature which I am thinking on my head right now is that the product should be clickable. So when the pop-up opens up, it is not clickable now. It just shows up the name that someone purchased this product, right? Activewear t-shirt, the name, but it is not actually clickable. I can make it clickable, and I can also add in a lot more functionality based on the feedback which I'll be getting in the comments below. So let me know in the comments below what more you would like to learn. And that's it for this video. Until next video, hasta la vista, baby.